Zemini, he's awake.
Yeah.
Hi, Precious.
Hello.
He loves
Hello.
Daddy's voice. He's looking for Daddy.
Hi.
Yeah.
What are you doing, huh? You got the hiccups?
He just ate. He's got a very full belly.
Yeah.
And he's pretty content with it.
Yeah. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing over here? Look at you. You look so funny. You got the hiccups.
He's pretty happy.
Daddy's right over here. Well, you looking everywhere else? You don't know.
Hi, baby boy.
Yeah. Oh. You look funny getting the hiccups.
I like little...
Yeah. You're looking right at my little thing, aren't you? Hey, this is recording you.
You
Yeah.
wave to the camera?
Yeah.
You're so cute.
Hi. Looking at me? He's like, what is going on? I don't get it.
He's so wide awake. He's been
Yeah.
sleeping all day.
Hi.
All day yesterday.
What are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? There's nothing down there. You know that, right?
He's so wide awake. Of course, now he's full. He's all fed. He's just got to get his diaper changed, and it's sleep time, so of course he's wide awake now.
Looks like half a yawn there.
A little bit of gas.
Yeah.
And he's good to go, huh?
By the way, viewers, this is Eamon, and he has his hiccups.
He does have his hiccups.
Yeah. If you couldn't tell already from the
viewers,
little...
if you didn't figure that out, you probably shouldn't be touching the equipment you're watching this
Yeah. Alright, he's like, alright, shut off the camera. I don't want to look at the camera anymore.